Hey everybody, it's Shane with Crystal Clear 101. I have another toy review today. I have another Halo figure I'm going to review. This time it's an old 2003 Joyride Elite Miner from Halo Combat Evolved. Now, first off, I'm going to point out that this is really intended as more of a display figure. It's really not intended as an actual playable toy. But his articulation consists of the following. His head is on a ball hinge. His shoulders are on a ball hinge. His midsection is on a ball hinge. His elbows are on a swivel and his hands are on a swivel. That's it as far as his articulation goes. He came with the plasma rifle, the signature Covenant Elite weapon. But other than that, for this figure, it's really all about the detail for the figure. And let me go ahead and say, even with him slumped over like this, he's still a good 6.5 inches tall. So this is still a pretty decent sized figure. But, I mean, overall, for a display figure, he's really not too terrible. If I have any complaints about him, really it's just trying to find his articulation. It's trying to find his point of balance, really. As I said, he's really intended as more of a display figure more than anything. But what I actually do really like about this particular Elite is, number one, it's the classic original Elite. Number two, even for an older figure, he does have not a good bit of detail that they put into him. And number three, this is the only Elite I'm even aware of. It even has his mandibles out like so. Like you see them do in the various Halo games. But if you can find this particular Elite, I would suggest picking him up. If you're looking for him as far as a playable toy goes, I would look elsewhere. There are much better Elites as far as playability goes. But if you're looking for one that's fairly large, reasonably detailed, and you're wanting him to be more of a display figure more than anything, I would definitely look up this particular Elite. He's not bad. Again, he's just really intended more of a display piece. But if you can find him, my bottom line is pick him up if you're a Halo fan, if you're a Halo collector. But this has been my review on the Joyride Halo Combat Evolved Elite Miner. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe.